Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So just wanted to say hi real quick before I get into me just talking to you about some things and probably potting up something. Just want to say hi and happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and I hope and wish that you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends and family, and I just hope that you guys are able to enjoy it all. Eat lots of turkey, or if you're a vegetarian, eat lots of vegetable dishes, or whatever it is that you guys enjoy. Okay, so let's get to it. Quickly, just an overview of everything. So far, everything's doing really well. We've been getting some cool temperatures here, so that's been nice. This morning when I woke up, it was in the 60s, but now we're back up to 70s, possibly close to 80. I didn't check, but it doesn't feel cool. Like, it feels okay, but not hot. But anyway, so just wanted to, everything's okay. It's looking good here. I would like to redo this one day. Hopefully I'm able to redo it. And then everything over here is looking really well. Remember, I was a little bit scared about the sun. I wasn't sure, but it's been doing well. So yeah. And then I don't want to say for sure yet, but remember, this is one of the ones that I sprayed, and I see less black spots. So I think it's working. I'm not sure if the black spots go away or if this new growth is what you can see. So yeah, let me check this other one. There was another one here that had a lot of it. So yeah, this one has a lot. I think I have to retreat again just to make sure. But yeah, this one had a lot of it. I don't know why it gets that. Some of them have it and some of them don't. So yeah, the days have been really nice. Been able to enjoy outside, so that's been really good. Look at these. I put all these in here. They look so pretty. So yeah, and then over here, I decided to redo this area over here. Take advantage of the pavers and just kind of stack them up into steps like that. And yeah, I put my plants over here. I have some babies that look like they need to be repotted already. They're getting pretty big, so that's good. And then what I did is I had a bunch of propagated leaves laying around that were getting bigger, so I placed them over here. I hope that they should be okay, because like I said, it hasn't been really that hot, so I don't think they'll burn. But yeah, look at all these babies. This is just for now. I think when summer gets closer, I'll be definitely moving these, because I think many of them would burn. So yeah, I think these are ghost plants. I'm not sure, but I think that's what it is. Yeah, everything here still looks the same. Haven't been cleaning up around here a lot. This one has been forever the same. I believe this here has been 4 years. It's been like this. Yeah, the ghost plant, very happy. These are 3 different plants right here. Ghost plant. This is either something Sorrento, I always forget, or the California Sunset. I can't tell because they look very similar, except one has more green and then the other one tends to have more red. And then I believe this is like the Pearl Pachyphyta. I can't even remember. It's been a long time that I've even looked up the name of that one. So yeah. But my husband, he's gonna go visit his cousin, and I didn't realize his cousin was the one who purchased one of my plants. This is looking really well here too. So he's gonna go ahead and take those plants to them. This, like, I love this. And this propagation, this a while back ago, it's probably 2 years old already. Look at how big it's getting. So yeah, I really love that one. What was I saying? I get distracted with the plants. Oh, so I didn't realize his cousin bought something for me on Instagram. So he's like, oh yeah, that's my cousin. You should make something for my aunt. So I'm gonna make an arrangement for her. I just haven't decided yet what plants to pick out. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then come right back on here with you guys. Just want to show you how this planter is doing over here. Remember the, what do you call it? The camper planter? It's already taken over. These plants here have taken over. They're actually leaning this way. Look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone though. It looks good. I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, so let me pick off some plants and then I'll take the camera right back. Don't mind the, I try to wipe it down, but it still looks dirty. So I'm just gonna use the terracotta pot, and I put mesh in there, and then I just have my normal cactus soil with some purpose in there, and I'm just gonna put that in there. I might have gotten too many plants, so I'll have to see. I just gathered a few plants. I don't know if they're all gonna fit. So what am I gonna do first? Let's go with the tall ones in the back first. These, that's Koi. Well, you know what? I can actually put more soil. The problem is, I know that for the other one I'll have to dig. That's the problem. These shoot out roots from like everywhere. That's why they're so easy to propagate. Because they shoot out roots non-stop. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Okay. Uh-oh. Oops. Pushing too hard. Okay. Put more soil to get it to stay up. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and put this one. This one's really cute. I can't remember the names of all of them. I know in the past I've told you guys the names of it, but I'll try to find them and put them on the screen so that you guys know. That one's so pretty. Okay, so let me make some space here. Don't fall over, buddy. So, since we spoke about Thanksgiving, or I spoke about Thanksgiving, and it is around the corner. Well, tomorrow. What am I talking about? Tomorrow Thanksgiving. What do you guys do for Thanksgiving? You guys go away? Do you guys stay home and cook? And then what are some traditional dishes that you guys do? We used to, when my brother used to live in Georgia, drive down to Georgia very often, and we enjoyed it very much. We actually lived in Georgia for a year, just a year, and then my husband really missed his family, so he wanted to move back, so we did. So yeah, but yeah, we used to drive to Georgia. It was really nice. We would go to the flea markets down there. Augusta, Georgia has really nice flea markets. So it was fun. So what do you guys do? Be interesting to know what you guys do. So now we stay here now. For now. So now we're staying here. So yeah. So I'm actually gonna put a trailing plant. This jade, it's really pretty. I think my thing got crooked here on you guys. Okay. I'm gonna put this trailing jade, but let me see how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if it looks right. I don't know if it looks right there, or if I should put it over here. Oh, and do you guys put the Christmas tree up now? Later, if you do celebrate Christmas, do you do that? Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to fix that. Give me a second. More soil. Okay. There we go. Okay, I like it now. And one more. Try to fit her in there. Squeeze her in. Topsy-turvies, they're so prolific. It's like, if you just have one in your collection, don't worry, soon enough you'll have like 1,000 of them. They propagate very well also. Oh, like that right there, like that. Push this down. So maybe her to go down a little bit more. There we go, that looks good. Now, just take my finger and just press all in there and make sure everything has soil all around it, nice and tight. Yep, everything has soil. And then this, I'm gonna lift up back here and try to squeeze more soil back there. There we go. Very nice. So cute. That turned out cuter than what I thought, only because it was so like out of nowhere. I thought about it out of the blue. Didn't really get to put a lot of thought into it. So yeah, I like it. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm so sorry. Slowly my tripod has tilted. This tripod, I leave it out here, so it's probably getting worn down. I probably need a new one. I just leave it set up there, see? So slowly it's just been tilting on me. Sorry about that, guys. Let me go get some turfus to use as top dressing. Hopefully my husband doesn't end up spilling this all over his car. I'll have to think of what I'm gonna do so he doesn't do that. And then I'll get back with you guys. Porch, guys, and this is it. This is the one she bought. She bought this one and that one, the pink butterfly kalanchoe. And then this is for her mom. So yeah, my husband will take these to her today. I'll probably have to put it in a small box just to make sure it doesn't tip over. And that's it. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and to all my new subscribers, thank you. And to my followers forever that have been following me. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you guys. New, old, I appreciate you guys all. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.